Hi everyone, today I will show you how to install Kali Linux Live. So let's begin. First you will need a USB stick with a minimum 8 GB of storage. And when you have found that, we will go in and find the tool we will need. First we will need Kali Linux. So we will search for Kali and go into Kali's website and under download. And there's a live boot. Okay, and then we will just download this. This is the most commonly used. Download. And now when we are waiting for this to install, we will install the tool we will need. And it's called Rufus. Let's go. And this website. This tool is used to flash Kali Linux on a USB. So just click and make a bootable USB with Kali Linux. And now it's perfect. And now we will plug in our USB like this, and then it will show up. And I think our Kali Linux installation is done. No, download is done. So we will select in our download folder and open. And you can name it whatever you want. And the title system should be BIOS or UEFI. And yeah, so just click start. And okay. And now it's beginning. But remember, all your data will be lost on the USB stick. So I'll see you when it's done. And now click close and shut down your PC. Now when it's fully turned off, turn it on again and click F2 or whatever your BIOS key is. And when you're in the BIOS, go to the advanced settings and boot, and under the boot section you will find something called secure boot or boot security, and then you will have to set the type to other OS instead of Windows. And now we just have to boot from our USB stick and click F10 to save and exit. Now it should boot into Kali Linux. And now click enter to go into live system. Now we have successfully installed Kali Linux on a live USB and booted from it. If you like my content, consider subscribing. See you in my next video.